itchy little bird? Are you itchy? Are you itchy and scratchy? Yep, little bit itchy. Oh, Mama will itch. Mama will do itch and scratch. Itchy, itchy bird. Itchy bird. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's right there. You like it right there. That's her favorite spot. Right by the beak. Right by the beak. Do real gentle. Right by the little birdie beak. And you could do this for hours. Except Mommy's hand gets tired. Mommy's hand gets tired, even though I love it. I love it. It's very nice. Yeah, it's very nice. Isn't it? It's nice to itch and scratch. It's nice to itch and scratch, bird. Oh, very good. Very good. Very good, itchy bird. Oh, there we go. There's that spot. Oh, right there. Okay, Mommy's arm is getting tired. You're up high. It's a high itch and scratch. Yep. Oh, good girl. I'm holding the camera with one arm and itching with the other. So it's a little harder. It's a little harder. But I'll still do it. I'll still do it for Big Bird. And you're a good girl. You're a good girl. She always gives kisses. Yeah, you always give kisses right at the end, huh? Because you're a good girl. Very good girl. Very good girl. Kiss. Good girl.